EastEnders star Gillian Taylforth's former fiancé lied to cops over his own shooting, a court heard. David Fairbairn, 66, told cops two gunmen shot at him 6 or 7 times in a pub car park, wounding his hip. 1. EastEnders star Gillian Taylforth's former fiancé, David Fairbairn, above with the soap star, lied to cops over his own shooting, a court heard credit, splash. But a jury heard there was no CCTV of suspects or any evidence found at the scene. And texts sent earlier to Fairbairn were traced to 2 pay-as-you-go phones allegedly bought on his behalf. He is also accused of falsely claiming that gangsters were targeting him and Gillian, 66. Prosecutor Nathan Rasai QC said police raided a barn next to his property near Royston, Gums, in 2020 and found 1,033 cannabis plants which, if grown, would be worth £867,000. A bag with a stun gun, revolver and bullets was in an office. A month later, he suffered a gunshot wound. The Cambridge Crown Court jury heard that he admits illegally possessing weapons but denies perverting justice and letting premises be used for cannabis production. Kathy Beale star Gillian called off her wedding to Fairbairn in 2019. The trial continues. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun News Desk? Email us at exclusive@thesun.co.uk or call 0207 782 4104. You can WhatsApp us on 07423 720 250. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours. Click here to get the Sun newspaper delivered for free for the next 6 weeks.